German first lady. German first lady, you will not even the shame. You still carry news, go put sexy gist, you still carry. German first lady will not even the shame. When you want your husband, they insult your husband, mama. You still carry news, come and say, Cora be there want to divorce her husband. Many of all these bloggers, Tessie Gist, many of all those bloggers, the few ones I feel remember their name, now go remember. German first lady, she even still carry the same news, go put for one of her blogger page, say Cora be there, finally, want her husband say a call for divorce. You where German first lady, you where and your husband, they insult your husband, mama. You never bring your own come out for table. You not bring your own come out for table. You know another person blog you they go carry. When she born, why you not carry and come and say Cora be there, don't deliver. May your fans go. Write congratulations message. You not come out. Africa German first lady news. All her news now fake. She too lie. She lied that. That Africa German first lady one of the thing where she and her husband they cost him mother-in-law. You will date there, your own husband they cost him mama. You know if you give that your husband a slap for him mouth. You know if you give your husband slap for him mouth too. Say now your mama will born you for, will carry you for belly for 9 months. No matter anything, stop insulting your mother. You not tell your husband you they carry fake news up and down. Make fake news bend your neck with your bend leg. Will be like walking stick. Will be like sick with the tongue gary. With her baby leg, if she stand for ground, the leg be like leg where they take the tongue, where they take the tongue gary, where they take the tongue gary, baby. It be like baby where they take the tongue gary. Wanna share this video, guys? Help me to share the video. May all those dirty bloggers make their hear am. Share the video, everyone. Let those dirty bloggers let they hear and they should mind their business. Mind your business. Learn how to stay away from people's business. Mind your own and learn how to stay away from people's properties and business. Her husband, Cora Obide husband, the man cannot try it. Say he want divorce Cora because why? They are legally married. They are legally married. If the man try and say that the man go suffer because why? They go share the property. Now Cora will go even plenty pass. So the man is a wisdom man. He will never try such thing. The man is not going to try such thing. The man will never try such thing. He know the law that abide it. He know the law where they follow and they go. Say you want divorce your woman. Una don't marry. Una marry for Nigeria, come marry for Europe. They go share the man property, carry or give Cora herself. The man go start for square one. The man go start for square one. So for that reason, the man will not try it. Cora and her husband, they are legally married. The bloggers that are lying, stop lying. Lovely Casino, good morning, my beautiful sister. They should stop lying and please drink water and mind your business. All those fake bloggers, why can't you drink water and mind your business over people's issues? Teresa, my sister, with her thin leg. Africa German first lady with her thin leg. Now her own news says, now just say yeah. Now her news, now just say yeah. Her news, your comments, now her news are just say yeah. Guys, wanna share this video. Say me even go to she and her husband when they insult her mother-in-law. Your husband they insult your mama. You not give your husband slap for mouth. If you and your husband go share gari, mona share gari. If you and your husband if you go quarrel, me una quarrel. You not give your husband slap for mouth for him to the insult your mama. We carry him for belly for 9 months. You not talk about that one. You not talk about her. Now another person use now you carry come out, they say they want share gari. Why you not share gari with your husband? Bloggers, all those bloggers where they carry this, why una not divorce on her husband, make una go put her for blog? One of the carry another person use. Why una not talk una make una share una husband gari into 3 pieces? Una not share una husband gari into 3 pieces. Make una husband no say yes. Excuse me. Me una husband no say yes. Right now, una don't ready for una husband. Una don't ready to share gari with una husband. Una not talk about una own. Yeah, they smell. Yeah, they smell. Dirty set of people, useless set of people. I know say they'll come and later and I mean they want to insult. Do I care? Does it really look like I care? Does it really look like I care? I don't care. If they come and lie, if they lie, they come and later me, they come insult me. I don't care. I don't care. Their insult has nothing to do to me. Has nothing to take away from. There has nothing to take away from me. Come outside, they can't carry matter will not be on our own. Una just day inside house, una sit down. They find latest news on one blog. All una meet the Cora, many of the senior Cora. Many of them, the senior Cora. Waiting Cora, they do many of them fit if na Nigerian man go give Cora time. He go give Cora that time. Make sure they wear pants like that. They dance, they do her thing that the man will like. When they pray, may God, when they pray for bad thing will never happen in that little girl's marriage. That bad thing not go happen. Because she's a beautiful soul and she has a good heart. Her husband love her for anything that she's doing. Anything that she's doing, her husband love her for it. Her husband love her so much for anything that she's doing. If not black man, I go say, now my wife, but everybody want just to see. Now my wife, but everybody want just to see. It not be like those days. Those days when they grow, they come. Una no go see say woman get belle, make they come show her for social media. You know they. I dare your side. If I come out, I call you. Thank you. Princess Akudo, thank you very much. During those days when we dey grow, they come during our mama time. Una no go see woman wey get belle, we can't show it belle for social media. You know day. Or another person will come see the woman nakedness. You know day. You know day. You know they happen that time. Oh. So things are good. Year to year, things are changing. Every year, things are changing. Things are really changing for good, not for bad. Oh, the insult help my sister. Tell me Jesus is coming soon. Okay. Jesus is coming soon. Okay now. But why are people showing everything these days? Okay. We don't know. No more secrets or privacy. No more secrets or privacy. No more secrets or privacy again. During those days, now only doctor and some nurse for hospital. Now go even see the way woman say they do this charge bearing. Or midwives. Or let's say midwives. Some women will be say quick them to rush her to hospital. They can't born for house. All those native doctors need midwife. Now know how women take the bed. But these days, the way people they come out from there, everything don't they net. Everything they on social media. No secrets anymore. No secrets anymore. Little children, they carry Android phone. Small pikin of 2 years, 3 years, they don't know how to, they don't sabi operate Android phone. All of them don't wise. We need Jesus, my sister. My dear, since when we need this Jesus, he never see come. Things are going worse. Jesus is coming soon. Things are worse in year by year, day by day. Now people prank themselves and less family secret and release. These days, people prank themselves and release their secrets. Me, I wanted to do this prank. I didn't want to do this prank. I was like, what do you concern prank? If I can't do prank now, tomorrow they can't use that prank against me. If they use that prank against me tomorrow, I'm on my own. I'm on my own. Nobody will call will come rescue me. What has Jesus done to change your condition? My dear, Jesus has not done anything to change my condition. Only what Jesus has done to change my condition, he gave me breath. He gave me breath. He put food on my table. I prayed every day, God, let my helper locate me. And really, my helper always locates me. I pray that God, let me never suffer to eat. And let me never beg to eat. And God, do it for me. So, if it's only that thing God has done to change my condition, so I'm grateful. I'm grateful. You say that to yourself. Angela Johnson, what God has done to change your whole condition. You think about yourself. Everybody is thinking about his or her own self. Jesus is coming to. It's for everybody, not for one person. Not for one soul, it's for everybody. Everybody is a sinner. Everybody is a sinner. No, it's like it's a question. He said, what has Jesus done to change your condition? He said, what has Jesus done to change my own condition? You don't ask me. Oh, everybody is a sinner. I don't even say you. I did not say you are only the sinner here. Everybody is a sinner. So for the fact that people don't want to let others live, they should learn. They should learn. They should learn on how they should leave others live. Live and let's live. It's not a bad task. It's not an heavy task people are asking. Live and let's live. Kora will be there matter. You people should stop posting her pictures and her videos. And she and her husband, they are not ready for divorce. One another, they pray for bad thing. She and her husband, they not. I agree. Angela Johnson, you say for your own. I beg, not make me laugh this early morning. Your own pass me. I beg. Angela Johnson, I beg. Me and you know the quarrel. Well, I'm not there for you. No, she is answering the one that was asking you a question. Oh, I never knew. Oh, sorry, darling. I never knew. Sorry, darling. You understand? Ask me, my darling. Let me ask them. That's why sometimes I don't want to read comments, so that I will not go and read good comments and take it to bad comments. You understand? So that's why, sorry. They should stop it. They should stop it. We people should let the sleepy dog lay. Let the sleepy dog lie. Is it a bad thing? Is it an easy task? Is it a hard task? Is it a hard task to say? Is it a bad task to say? See, Osas, I'll not be your friend, though. Osas, I'm not your friend. Mind you. No, Angela Johnson, no, I replied your comment, but I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to the other person. Yeah, I was talking to the other person, not you. Oh, at the moment, it's a good morning, sister, good morning. So, evil people everywhere. Cora, Obide, she's not separate. She never separates. Her husband is still with her. She will live, she and her husband, they will live long, they will grow old. They will stay old. I see no reason why bloggers are bringing fake videos up and down. Una no go do nothing. Make una go open pants the way Cora they open, the way she they dress, they dance, where her husband love her. All those Google things where her husband love about her. Una want to try, una go put sour gari. Una want go put sour gari. God don't go let her happen for una. Una just they blog everything, including Africa German First Lady. You still go they blog. You still go the blog. You where your husband they insult him, mama. You know the shame. You still go the blog. Tessie gist, you still carry. Tessie gist. You still carry the same news. This other blogger, waiting be her name again, where they follow. There are a lot of bloggers. That carried it. Oh, Alicia, thank you very much, Alicia. Good morning. How you doing? Thank you very much. Adimomo Issa, thank you very much, beautiful sister. They will never quarrel. God not go let quarrel enter their midst. Every evil thing people they plan against Cora and her husband, God go destroy them. God is going to unite the two of them together. But for me, I know that they are not quarreling. For me, I have that strongly feeling. I have strong feeling and I have strongly believe about that they will never quarrel. Because her husband loves her so much. Her husband loves her so much and she loves her husband so much. Before she put to bed, we not see the house where her husband go rent for her. Where her husband go carry. Before she put to bed, we not see house where her husband go give her. The house is close to sea. She live in a paradise. Only man will love her and I feel do one for her. My dear, my blood, we save. We save, oh, lovely Casino. We are saved. We are saved. Oh, he Mary. No ask me, oh, where your own? He Mary, where your own? You know, go find your own. Now me, you want to ask me, oh, go find your own. Go find your own. You understand? Osa say you talk too much, Timaya. Because why you be a mebo, you be a proco. You be gossiper. Osas. Now gossip there for the see you. Now all platform with there for the gossip. Now they for the see you. Osas. All platform with there for the gossip. Now they see you. They not get anywhere with there for the see you again. Now aproko alaroro. Now you be alaroro. Alupe fioko. Afioko di. Alupe fioko usunde. Usunde undan. You be usunde. You be undan. You be alupe fioko. Afioko di number one. Now you be. Call all platform. Where for they do bad, now then they see you. Now all platform where they do for they do bad, now then they see you. He bought her a mansion. Yes, my darling. Her husband bought her a mansion. Did you see the house she's living? Man, we want separate with woman, I go do that one for woman. Man, we want separate a woman, he dey inside the pool bath where she forgave birth. The man is strongly in love with Cora who be there. Nothing is going to separate them. All those bloggers, one are just they see, one are they follow, one are they go comment, instead of one to they reply them. I'll be seeing a lot of comments on those bloggers. When many bloggers blog that video, the news, I see many people and I check comments, even including some of my fans. I see their comments there. So my dear, you people are supposed to drop a comment and tell those bloggers that they should stop fake news. Tell those bloggers to stop fake news. Tell those bloggers to stop fake news. You're supposed to drop a comment that bloggers, this is a fake news. Stop fake news and drop this video. Everybody's supposed to drop it. Everybody's supposed to tell all bloggers. Even on Instagram, this news not the rain for Instagram. Not only Facebook, social media, that they rain. It not rain for Instagram. This news never rain. It not too rain for Instagram, but Facebook and YouTube. Now they go carry on. Una don't see opportunity to use Cora take blue. Una see opportunity to use Cora take get follower. Me, I know use Cora take get follower. Me na dance. I dey wear pants. I dey wear knicker till they dance. Because me, I don't send anybody. I don't send anybody message. Now me blow myself. Now me raise myself up. I don't use anybody blow. You understand? You understand? Now wow. Oh wow. Hey, this life no really balance as it. Oh wow. Oh wow. Person we just new born. Woman we just new girl, we just new deliver. Una just everything will be fine for her. Very, very fine. Amen, Princess Rosemary. Amen. This is going to be fine for her. For me, I know that they are not worried. For me, I might call it a prank, Mama T. For me, let me call it prank. Maybe she and her husband want to prank people, or let me call it like that, or more, they want to gain more followers. Let me just call it that, because I know that they are not ready for this. They are not ready to. The man is not ready to divorce her. I think daughter needs to come out to clear the air so that all the rumors will come to an end. No, very soon, my dear. Very soon. No, that's for sure. That's sure. Very soon. Timaya, you don't wake this morning. I don't wake my darling. You don't see where I wake. No, sometimes 4, 5 o'clock in the morning, I don't already wake. And sometimes I will just stay inside my bed here. Just they meditate. They look videos. They look what they go on for social media. They look all those like people. You understand? I dey quick wake. And also I slept early and I wake up early. You understand? So my dear fellow brothers and sisters, my dear fan and lovers, my dear people of God, people that has good hearts, please, any blogger that you see Cora's video on their page. Please, guys, drop a comment and let those bloggers drop those videos. They should stop blogging what it's not real. They should stop blogging what is not real, and they should stop patronizing into other people's affair. Do your thing. Stop patronizing into other people's affair. It's not good. It's not good. People can talk rubbish. Blessing informer, I tell you, I swear God, gone. People talk rubbish, die. People, now rubbish there for the seed there. Rubbish, not for the same people of this earth, people of this world. If not be rubbish, we for not the same people they eat and people they like. This good word, I say, not a prank. People are too wicked. They are so wicked. They are so wicked, including somebody that just pissed me off. You know do you know the worstest thing, the funniest thing that pissed me off? Do you know the funniest thing that pissed me off? When Africa Jama First Lady still carried the news. Hey! Now I say, hey! See Kento. Now I say, see Kento. Wake up pot black, still come outside. Africa Jama First Lady, you still go carry news. Where be say your husband they insult him mama. Your husband they insult him mama way borner. You still go they carry person news. Everybody want make money for social media. Hey, untule gbeyamoyi. No mind orima sakpo ebe neke bako you see. Imagine you see orima neke bako apunu gbe. Hey, I think my radio Oscapa de Buno, Eguano Buno. Imagine. Africa Jama First, you still carry news. You still go carry news, you and Tessie gist. Where on a nyash the leak. Where on a whole full on a body. Where on a whole full on a body yekete. When I see go, you and Africa Jama First, this. And Tessie gist. Una o do na body jacket. Una still go carry news. Hey! There is say this last. No balance. The funniest thing safe. Now the way Africa Jama First they analyze her. The way she say analyze her, man. One day, my dear, wow, my best friend is here. Oyawene, winner. Thank you very much, winner. Good morning. How you doing? Now saga, you want load with Jama First Lady. So this early morning, me, I don't load saga with Sambo. I don't know saga with her, but at least she joined carry down news. At least Africa Jama First Lady, she joined carry down news. When Cora born, why you not post for her say she born? May your fans go comment put because now all those baba thing for the seal now. Now they for the seal now. Some people deal with their hearts never clean. Una they want go clear another people. Jama last lady who best first lady. My dear Naomi, tell me again, my sister. I forget saying Jama last lady. I even forget. Imagine, you still go carry news, oh. I not do this video simply because if she see this video, maybe she can't do saga with me. No, I only do this video to correct their mistake. I want correct there. Say not be everything they go the blog. The ones where I see now, measure the one who are not fit measure their name, all of them know their self. The ones who are not fit measure their name, all of them know their self. When Cora born, I posted it. It's on my page. I gave her a good congratulations because it wasn't easy. It's not easy because I've been with her from day one. I've been watching her videos and I love her show. You know, I love she and her husband and her family so much. So very well. I love your personality because you are so real. reason I join your broadcast anytime you come out. I like reminded people, and you are one. Thank you so much, Princess Tameoluwa. Thank you very much, my darling. It's real, and I'm right. It's real, and I'm right. Mama Gladys, even Mama Gladys still carry. Hey, I beat it. Mama Gladys still carry the news to Agbiti. You know, say since when me Gladys quarrel. I not fit put Mama for her name. You know, since when me and Gladys quarrel, because Gladys not senior me. Me and Gladys will be age mates. I even senior herself. Gladys not senior me. I even senior her. I even senior Gladys, so I'm not supposed to even put Mama for her name because her name is Gladys. Gladys not senior me. Either I senior her, I senior Gladys, or will be age mates. You understand me? You know since when me and Gladys quarrel about that? This year go make her 3 years now. During that coronavirus marriage, on the 20th of this month. On the 20th of this month, we make it 3 years. I'll be 2 years. During that coronavirus marriage, where they say, hey, Lady Gaga do coronavirus marriage. Say I go inside. When me and Gladys take quarrel. I don't even care whether she live or she not live. Everybody day only. During that coronavirus marriage, where Gladys carry fake news that time. Now they not hate many of them. Because why? They don't know news will be real, though they carry fake news. Now this month, on the 20th, I'll be 27. On the 27th of this month, go make 3 years now. When we do that saga that time, when they take carry that fake news, why they follow them? Because why? They are on too much. They talk lie. They too lie. Some bloggers too lie. Make una they talk truth. There are people that are ready to listen to the truth. People did this life we like truth thing. People did this life we love happiness. No one they do things way good. Even Gladys still carry her beating. Gladys way you day, but she still carry. Wausa still carry. Wausa. They not get because why? They not get work again. That's your Cora now. Bad woman. That's your Cora. Now bad woman. No, Linda. Cora, she's not a bad woman. Cora is not a bad woman. She's a lovely girl. She's a lovely girl. You know, I am a social media influencer and I'm a popular figure. Me, I am a social media influencer and I am a popular figure. And I dance. So since Cora obedient dance, I love her so much for the dancing because we are both class. So all those Jama first lady we go they carry fake news about Cora obedient. Now wanna be bad belly people. One of they carry fake news. Why? Wanna they carry fake news? Una they pray me they quarrel. They not go quarrel. God go disgrace una. So Gladys still carry. Wamsa. So only way amu. Bedi dodo. I don't say if they see my video, they go reply me. Me, I not care. I not they fear them. I not they fear them. I not they fear anybody. Myself. Me, I not they fear anybody. I not they fear anybody. I give. They said respect is an hypocrite. I say, what it be that our sister name? Iyore way de Paris. He say respect is an hypocrite. If you respect me, I respect you. Respect is an hypocrite. As she talk. Now the respect I can't give them. I not fear them. So Gladys, Wausa, Bedi Dodo, you still carry the same fake news. Make una stop to the carry news. Even if Cora and her husband get little misunderstand, una supposed to go her platform, una go the comments, try to get her number, make una write her, try to comfort her, make she and her husband reconcile back. No be say na. Me never ever hear say me I dey follow Cora page every day. I must watch her video. Me never ever hear where he with her husband for get quarrel, where they for argue over something. The next thing I say na bloggers. The next thing where I just see na bloggers. The next thing where I see bloggers don't carry on. I fear bloggers so. bloggers, I fear una, Yahweh, Ijabe Yahweh, Abun not Borokoshi, not Beune. Bloggers, some bloggers, Beun. He say Gladys were the born for 1967. Now you say una be mates. Who tell you say na 1967 they born Gladys? Who told you that? Who told you that? Who told you that? Say they born Gladys 1967. Who told you that? Is she the one that told you that? If that's so she tell you, my dear, respect is reciprocal. Respect is hypocrite. Respect is reciprocal. I know. Respect is respect. I beg this morning. I beg. Wait till I come outside for this morning. It's different from waiting on the one I call they talk. Commentators. As one boy told say commentators and commenters. Commenters. I fear now.